So we'll put TSDH 1006-02 will sense high temperature of the fluid at pump inlet, at pump suction, and trip the running pump. That's very good, man. Okay, dear. So we are happy, and we are saying we are going to take the same consequence what we have done in the HAZOP, and the category is asset, and the TML is 1, and here none, because this is the case of the asset. We will not take any condition modifier. This is 2 case. I will change the color so that you can read it.
We are saying we are not following in a knock. They are saying no. I will get my kids.
Okay, guys. So we have taken this. So first initiating event, we are saying that possible stuck closure of check valve, what we have seen the HAZOP. This is correct. Second is MOV. So there are 2 causes which can increase, which can put the pump on the recycle mode, and ultimately this situation will happen. So now NRV stuck close. If you see,
we don't need to, right?
So guys, I want your help, guys. Can you please help me about the single? Okay. What is the right regulator? No regulator. Check valve is there or no? Check valve. Failure of check valve. So guys, can I put this one? So this is right failure of check valve on high demand. So this is 0.1 once in a 10 year. Let me know if you don't agree. But yes, once in a 10 year, this check valve can get stuck. So I will keep the same thing. MOV is BPCS. So we'll take the BPCS here. BPCS loop failure, this is 0.1. Enabling event is none. In both cases, none. So guys, now I'm moving on the right side. If you see this safeguard we have taken from the HAZOP, I will again go back in the HAZOP. So guys, this is the HAZOP, the TSDH, and this. So in this case, we have got one alarm and the same shift. So this alarm, I will go back here. So we are saying there is one alarm before the pump trips on the high temperature. There is TAH 101101. Okay. So you have the TAH here. If you see here, before the TSDH, you have got TAH 101201. 1012. I will put 1012, right? This is 1012.
Also, the tag is changes.
Okay, let me see here. Yeah, this is one same. Okay, we'll put the same thing. We'll put the same number. Yeah. Thank you.
Or my request is that, Mr. Chairman, you follow HAZOP tag numbers, and whatever correction is required, later we will do it.
Okay,
because
fine.
our team will not be available full day.
Oh yeah, sure, Roman. So I will put the old tag number what was used in HAZOP. In the HAZOP, we have taken the TAH 1011-01. Okay, so we'll keep the same thing. So this is independent. Why I'm saying I will take the credit. The moment the TAH will come, the operator will take corrective action, and this is independent production. So I will take a credit. TSDH, the same TSDH. The same TSDH we are reviewing.
How we know that sufficient time is available for operator action?
So now who is the, Azaldin?
Yeah.
Now you can